Ready for a seamless roll-off dumpster rental experience in Columbia, Tennessee? Look no further than Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC. At Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC, we deliver top-tier roll-off dumpster rental services custom-tailored to your unique requirements. With over a decade of expertise, we've mastered the art of providing prompt and dependable service with a smile. Are you planning a home renovation or construction project? We've got the perfect roll-off dumpster solution for you. Ready to start? Contact us at 615-290-2029 for a straightforward, hassle-free dumpster rental process. Our intuitive website, DIYDumpstersTN.com, lets you effortlessly choose the ideal dumpster size for your project. Say goodbye to hidden fees. Our pricing is transparent and upfront. What you see is precisely what you pay. Our dedicated team is here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring you get the perfect dumpster precisely when you need it. At Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC, we're passionate about eco-friendly waste management practices, prioritizing recycling whenever possible. Roll-off dumpster rental Columbia, Tennessee. With Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC, you've found your trusted partner for a cleaner and more efficient disposal solution. Experience the convenience of hassle-free and budget-friendly dumpster rental today. Visit DIYDumpstersTN.com or dial 615-290-2029 to get started. Roll-off dumpster rental made effortless in Columbia, Tennessee. DIY with a dash of DYD excellence.